Ever wonder what happens when a galaxy sneezes? These cosmic giants blast out massive amounts of gas at mind-blowing speeds, and it's way messier than your average achoo. Today we're catching these space sneezes in action. Let's rank these cosmic sneezes on what I like to call the Galactic Gesundheit scale. At the bottom, we've got your basic stellar hiccups, small stars burping out little gas clouds. Moving up, we hit the medium-weight champions, nebulae throwing cosmic tantrums that span several light years. But the real heavy hitters? Those are the supermassive black holes at galaxy centers. When these bad boys sneeze, they launch jets of gas at nearly the speed of light, stretching across millions of light years. That's like if your sneeze could reach from Earth to Alpha Centauri, and trust me, you wouldn't want to be anywhere near these cosmic tissue boxes when they let loose. Right at the heart of these cosmic sneezes sits a supermassive black hole, basically the galaxy's nose. If its nose weighed millions of times more than our sun, these space monsters are messy eaters, and when they chow down on stars and gas clouds, they don't just swallow everything neatly. They're more like toddlers with spaghetti. Stuff goes flying everywhere. The black hole spins super fast, creating a massive disk of hot gas around it that whirls like a cosmic blender. And just like when you blend without the lid on, things get wild. The intense pressure and magnetic fields launch some of this material into space at ridiculous speeds, creating those massive jets we talked about. You might think space is all about peaceful stargazing, but galaxies can get pretty territorial with their gas. When galaxies pass close to each other, it turns into an epic game of tug-of-war. The bigger galaxy usually plays bully, using its stronger gravity to steal gas from its smaller neighbor, like a cosmic version of taking someone's lunch money. But sometimes the smaller galaxy fights back. It'll slingshot around the bigger one, using speed and momentum to keep its precious gas. The really wild part. This celestial drama creates amazing light shows, streams of glowing gas arcing between galaxies like giant, shimmering bridges in space. Think of magnetic fields as nature's greatest space tissues. They catch and shape all that flying cosmic snot. These invisible force fields stretch across entire galaxies like giant cosmic nets. When hot gas gets blasted out by those messy black holes, it doesn't just zoom away in straight lines. Instead, it follows these magnetic field lines, twisting and turning like a roller coaster ride through space. The coolest part? We can actually see these magnetic fields in action when the gas starts to glow. It's like watching a giant game of cosmic connect the dots, where the dots are chunks of glowing gas, and the magnetic fields are drawing the lines between them. Stars aren't just sitting around looking pretty, they're joining this cosmic sneeze fest too. Our own sun blasts out a steady stream of particles called the solar wind, but that's just the kiddie pool version. Massive stars. They're like pressure washers on steroids, shooting out winds so powerful they can sculpt entire nebulas. These stellar winds are basically the stars showing off their breath control, pushing away nearby gas and dust like they're blowing out a massive space birthday cake. When lots of big stars get together in a cluster, their combined winds can create huge bubbles in space, like a cosmic mosh pit where no gas cloud is safe. All that expelled gas doesn't just vanish into thin air. Space has a recycling program that would make any environmentalist jealous. Some of the gas gets caught in gravity's web and falls back into the galaxy like a cosmic boomerang. This returning gas becomes the building blocks for brand new stars. But the gas that escapes? It joins what astronomers call the intergalactic medium, basically space's version of a public swimming pool. This hot, thin gas floats between galaxies, creating invisible bridges that connect the cosmic web. Sometimes, this expelled gas even gets nabbed by passing galaxies, turning one galaxy's space sneeze into another galaxy's star-making material. These cosmic sneezes aren't just spectacular space fireworks, they're literally reshaping our universe. When galaxies blast out gas, they're actually giving themselves makeovers. Think of it like a galaxy's extreme home renovation show. Some galaxies go from being massive gas-filled spiral mansions to sleek, gas-poor penthouses. Others use their neighbors' expelled gas to build entirely new star subdivisions. It's wild. The gas that one galaxy sneezes out today might become part of tomorrow's solar systems in a completely different galaxy. We're talking about cosmic recycling on a mind-bending scale. Our Milky Way isn't just some quiet cosmic suburb. It's had its share of explosive moments. Right now, our galaxy's central black hole, Sagittarius A, is pretty chill. But about 3.5 million years ago, it threw a massive tantrum, blasting out two enormous bubbles of gas that we can still see today. These Fermi bubbles, as we call them, stretch 25,000 light-years above and below our galaxy. That's like our galaxy basically did a handstand and shot gas from both ends. We've also caught our galaxy red-handed, stealing gas from smaller nearby galaxies like the Magellanic Clouds. Talk about cosmic drama in our own backyard. Want to know how we catch galaxies in the act of their cosmic sneezing? It's like being a space detective with some seriously cool tools. We use special telescopes that can see different types of light, from radio waves to X-rays, each telling us something unique about the gas. It's like having thermal cameras, night vision, and microscopes all rolled into one. When hot gas moves, it leaves a trail we can follow, kind of like tracking footprints in cosmic snow. The real game changer? We can tell what the gas is made of by looking at its light signature. Each element has its own unique barcode. Pretty neat, right? Let me grab my cosmic weather radar and show you what's brewing in our galactic neighborhood. Our Milky Way's black hole might be quiet now, but astronomers are keeping their eyes on some suspicious gas clouds heading its way. When these clouds hit, sometime in the next 50 years, we might see fireworks that'll make New Year's Eve look like a sparkler. And don't even get me started on the Andromeda Galaxy. It's on a collision course with us, and in about 4.5 billion years, this cosmic fender bender will trigger the mother of all space sneezes. The gas fountains from that will be absolutely epic. We're talking about light shows visible from billions of light years away. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the universe's biggest sneezes. If you enjoyed getting sprayed with cosmic knowledge, hit that like button and subscribe for more space shenanigans. Share with a friend who needs a dose of galactic humor.